Are you confused about when to use onChange versus onChangeText in a text input component in React Native? You're not alone. This is a common question among developers, and today we're going to clear it up for you. I totally get it. It can be frustrating trying to figure out the right event handler to use, especially when both seem to do similar things. You're definitely not the only one who has faced this dilemma. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, when should I use onChange versus onChangeText in a text input component? They noted that onChangeText accepts the changed text as an argument in the callback and wondered if that was the main reason to use it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what's the difference? The onChange event is triggered whenever the value of the input changes, while onChangeText is specifically designed for text inputs and provides the new text directly. This can make your code cleaner and easier to manage. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on optimizing your text input components for better performance. To understand the difference between onChange and onChangeText in a text input component, let's start with onChange. This event is triggered whenever the text input changes, but it provides more than just the new text. The onChange event gives access to the entire event object, which includes properties like the current value of the input. This can be useful for more complex scenarios where additional information is needed. Now let's discuss onChangeText. This event is specifically designed for text inputs and is triggered whenever the text changes. It directly provides the new text as an argument in the callback. Using onChangeText is often simpler when the user only needs to update the state with the new text. This makes it a preferred choice for straightforward text input scenarios. In summary, the user should choose onChange when they need more information from the event object and onChangeText when they only need the updated text. This will help streamline their code and improve readability. Fun fact, did you know that React Native was developed by Facebook and is used in their mobile apps? It's a powerful tool that makes building mobile applications a breeze. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests using the onChange event in a text input component. They provide an example where the onChange function retrieves the text from the event and updates the state accordingly. They also mention that the target attribute may not be useful in React Native, as you can't attach data attributes like in React for web. Instead, they show that using onChangeText is acceptable for passing additional values. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always prefer onChangeText for text inputs. It not only makes your code cleaner, but also improves performance by reducing unnecessary re-renders. And there you have it. Now you know when to use onChange versus onChangeText in React Native. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more React Native insights.